Welcome to this exclusive unboxing of the Nike Air Force 1 React Triple White. Would you just look at this shoe? What a sneaker it is. But if you like them, make sure you sign up to the soulsupply.co.uk, turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop such as these. These randomly dropped a couple of weeks back now, and would you just look at them? Unbelievable scenes, Jeff. Coming with a nice premium white leather upper. This is then contrasted by this woven material coming on the underlays, and then this outline swoosh. This is the thing that I'm feeling most about the React series. If you look at this swoosh, it just looks unbelievable. Oversized, coming down onto the midsole itself, and this triple white iteration is the ultimate summer sneaker. And here's why. A lot of people will be going out for a little normally this time of the year, but obviously we're in quarantine. So you can wear this while watching Zoom, listening to your favourite DJs giving a little, hey, go on, yes, what are you saying? And they're not going to get mash up. What more could you ask for? £110 and available now via Nike. As per usual with Air Force Ones, go half a size down. And if you're a short man, then like George, he's about this tall, bless him. We can literally look over his head. Poor little fella. These are perfect for you because the insole is absolutely a wedge. Make sure at least an inch or two taller. Unbelievable. And this shoe is a must cop from us. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Force 1 React White, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See you.